Locally-owned the SBD user dashboard. It is easy to log in with Locally Owned. Just head to the top right corner and click Login. You can continue with Google and use your Gmail address to log in, or use an alternative email address. Once you are logged in, you can head back over to the top right corner and click User Dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you can click Bookmarks, and any small businesses you like, you can give them a heart and save them to your dashboard. This will keep those bookmarked or saved businesses on your dashboard for future reference. I'll just show you now what that looks like for the businesses that you've already bookmarked. As you can see, here's the few businesses that we just bookmarked. Let's head back to the user dashboard. Click Affiliate. Every person that signs up or logs into Locally Owned gets a personal affiliate link to use. You can be paid 10% on any new businesses that join using your link. Make sure to add the payment method if you get new businesses to join and you want to be paid. From the user dashboard, you can head over to Account Details and add the name that you would like to display when you are leaving things like reviews for small businesses listed. We'll quickly show you what reviews look like. We're going to head on over to an example business page. As you can see, there's a couple of reviews already, and rather than being out of 5-star like Yelp and others, our reviews are actually out of 25 stars, in a sense, because you can leave your rating on the service, your satisfaction levels, the quality of the business, whether you'd recommend, and whether you would buy from them again. Also, what also differentiates leaving a review on Locally Owned to Yelp, for example, is that it doesn't have to be a review and then the business replying, and that's the end of it. The conversation can actually continue. So this way, small businesses have more of a chance to rectify any bad reviews, and visitors can see their solutions, as well as the review turning into a conversation between a customer and the business. Locally Owned, shopping small and supporting local.